the dish we are going to prepare today, and this is very yummy, tasty and delicious, and very quick and easy to prepare. Let's start. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel again. Today I am going to share with you very unique recipe of soya bean chunks, which is very quick, simple and easy to prepare. Let's start. Let's see the ingredients which I am going to use. This is the soya nano chunks, and these are all the spices, and I have taken a water, and that is amchur powder. So guys, so this is the soya nano chunks which I am going to use, and it is the company, it is provided by the Double Horse, and it is cost the market price it is 48 rupees for 200 gram, which I am going to use. So I am going to take this one nano chunks in this one bowl of nano chunks. This one bowl I am going to, using this one bowl I am going to measure it, and next I am going to put it in the boiling water. So guys, I will take the 2 cups of water in this vessel, and for boiling the water, and I will put the soya chunks in the boiling water so that these chunks absorbs the water. Now I am going to put the water on the flame to boil it, and we will boil it till it gets first boil. Guys, this is the Wonder Chef kadhai I am going to use to prepare our soya veg chunks. Let's keep our Wonder Chef kadhai on the flame. Okay, for some time until water gets boiled, I will switch on the flame. 1 spoon of olive oil, and I will let this oil heat for few seconds, and I will add the whole cumin and jeera. Whole jeera I am going to add in the oil, olive oil, and I will let it roast on the low flame. Let's come back to our boiling water, and as you can see, it has started boiling. Now I will pour the soya chunks, nano chunks inside this. So now I will add all these soya nano chunks. Boiling water. Stir it with the spoon so that all the soya chunks gets absorbed in the water. As you see, the water is boiling. As it gets boiled, I will close the flame. I will let it stay in the boiling water for 2 minutes. Soak this nano chunks in this hot water for 2 minutes. Okay, चलो अब हम अपने सोया चंक्स को देखते हैं पानी में रहने के बाद इन्होंने पानी सोक कर लिया है, एब्जॉर्ब कर लिया है और ये फूल गए हैं। सो नाउ वी कैन स्ट्रेन द एक्स्ट्रा वाटर। सो नाउ I will strain this water by the help of this strainer. So guys, now let's see, this our jeera has been roasted, and let's add the soya chunks in this. I'm just mixing all the olive oil and the jeera, and now we will add all the spices in it. Okay. So I am adding half spoon of turmeric powder and pinch of red chili powder and pinch of sabji masala and coriander powder 3/4, and I will also add add salt. You can add all these spices as per your taste. Now let's mix everything, and after mixing it I will cover it with the lid and keep it for 2 minutes. So guys, let's see after 2 minutes. So let's stir it up, mix everything up, and we need to keep it for few more minutes, as you see, till the extra water gets dried. Let's take out this cover lid and let's see, and now it's close to 10 minutes. Now I will add pinch of black pepper and also pinch of amchur powder. Now we will stir it again, and our dry soya nano chunks are ready. So guys, these are our prepared soya nano chunks, which is very delicious and yummy and tasty, and I have already tasted it. Guys, our soya chunks are ready, and please subscribe our channel and keep watching for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.